Discover how modern diapers are made. Ever wondered how modern diapers are made? The process is fascinating. From blending fibers to creating super-absorbent cores, diapers have evolved significantly. This journey through diaper manufacturing reveals a blend of science, technology, and innovation, ensuring comfort and convenience for babies worldwide. Diapers have a rich history, transitioning from cloth and animal skins to modern disposables. Early caregivers used natural materials to keep babies dry, but the invention of disposable diapers revolutionized childcare, offering unprecedented convenience and hygiene for parents and guardians. In 1948, Johnson & Johnson introduced the first disposable diaper, marking a significant milestone. This innovation transformed parenting, providing an easy-to-use, hygienic solution that quickly gained popularity. The disposable diaper's impact on daily life and childcare practices cannot be overstated. Today's diapers comprise advanced components like nonwoven fabric and super-absorbent polymers. These materials work together to ensure maximum absorbency and comfort. Modern diapers are designed to be lightweight, breathable, and capable of keeping babies dry for extended periods. The manufacturing process begins with blending fibers for the diaper's outer and inner layers. This step ensures a soft, comfortable feel against the baby's skin while providing durability. The chosen materials are crucial for creating a diaper that balances absorbency, comfort, and strength. The fibers blending process is where the magic begins. Various types of fibers are carefully selected and combined to create both the diaper's outer and inner layers. This step ensures the diaper is soft, breathable, and comfortable for the baby. Once the fibers are blended, the formation of the absorbent core takes place. This core is engineered to hold up to 10 ounces of liquid, ensuring the diaper can handle multiple wettings without leaking or causing discomfort to the baby. The super-absorbent polymers in the core play a crucial role. These polymers can absorb and lock away several times their weight in fluid, keeping the baby's skin dry and preventing rashes. Their effectiveness is a cornerstone of modern diaper design. Elastic cuffs are then added to the diaper. These cuffs are positioned around the leg openings to prevent leaks and ensure a snug fit. They allow the diaper to move with the baby while maintaining a secure barrier against moisture. Fasteners are applied next to complete the diaper. These fasteners provide an easy and secure way to put on and take off the diaper. They are designed to be strong enough to stay put during wear, but gentle enough to adjust without tearing. The machinery used in diaper manufacturing is incredibly advanced, featuring high-speed automation for efficiency. These machines precisely cut, fold, and assemble various components, ensuring each diaper meets stringent quality standards. Innovations in machinery have greatly optimized production rates and consistency. Environmental considerations in diaper production are increasingly crucial. Manufacturers are adopting eco-friendly practices like using biodegradable materials and reducing waste. Energy-efficient machinery and sustainable sourcing of raw materials also play a significant role in minimizing the environmental footprint of diaper production. Non-woven fabrics are essential in modern diapers, offering softness and breathability. These fabrics are created through intricate processes like spun bonding and melt blowing, resulting in strong yet comfortable layers. They provide the necessary durability and flexibility without compromising on comfort and safety. Technological advancements have significantly improved diaper absorption and comfort. Innovations such as dual-layer absorbent cores and breathable back sheets enhance performance. These technologies ensure that diapers remain dry and comfortable for prolonged periods, offering better protection and peace of mind for users. Ensuring skin-friendly materials in diaper production is paramount. Manufacturers rigorously test fabrics and absorbents to prevent irritation and allergies. Hypoallergenic materials and lotions are often incorporated, providing a gentle touch that maintains the delicate balance of a baby's skin. Research and development play a pivotal role in diaper innovation, driving advancements in absorbency, comfort, and eco-friendliness. Continuous testing and experimentation ensure that each new iteration meets the ever-evolving needs of both babies and parents, maintaining high standards of quality. The diaper industry significantly impacts the global economy, generating billions in revenue and creating numerous jobs. From raw material suppliers to retail employees, the sector supports a vast network of professionals, contributing to economic stability and growth worldwide. Challenges in diaper manufacturing include maintaining quality while reducing costs and minimizing environmental impact. Manufacturers employ cutting-edge technologies and sustainable practices to address these issues, ensuring that their products remain safe, effective, and environmentally friendly. Future trends in diaper technology focus on sustainability and enhanced performance. Innovations such as biodegradable materials and smart diapers equipped with sensors promise to revolutionize the market, offering eco-conscious solutions and improved convenience for parents and caregivers. The diaper-making process is a marvel of modern engineering, blending advanced materials and precision machinery. From fiber blending to quality checks, each step is meticulously designed to produce a reliable, comfortable product that meets the needs of families globally. Diapers are used by millions daily, with over 20 billion disposable diapers sold annually in the US alone. The average baby will use around 6,000 diapers before being potty trained, highlighting the essential role they play in modern childcare. Curious about the science behind everyday items? Diaper technology is ever evolving, improving comfort and sustainability. Subscribe to Anna Toth for more intriguing insights into the products that shape our lives and discover the fascinating stories behind them.